Hi guys, Olga Soby here, and today I'm going to try and create the chameleon cells effect. I'm super excited about it. I love the art by Chameleon Jones Art on Instagram. What she does with cells is just magic. I have no idea how she's doing it, but a couple days ago I've seen a video by Jenn Neil, and she also tried to recreate the chameleon cells, and she used this tool. It's called Acrylic, and I happen to have exact same one. So I want to give it a go and see if it works. And if you don't have such tool, you can use just a regular hair comb. But like this one wouldn't work. You want to use one with the teeth much wider, maybe like 3 times wider than what I have here. And also if they are a bit thicker, it's also a good thing for this effect. So yeah, if you have a hair comb or can get it like from Dollarama, go ahead. All right, so I'm going to do a swipe first. I didn't add silicone to any of my colors. You're not supposed to for this technique. Okay, this spot here is just bold. Ouch. What if I swipe back? I have really overmixed my colors, but maybe this is not a bad thing for this technique. So now I just have a paper plate here, and I just want to apply some silicone right here. And I'm going to dip my tool in the silicone and poke my paint, and hopefully that will create something cool. Okay, something's happening. Oh, it's working! Oh my god, it's working! So cool. Thank you, Jen, for showing how to use this thing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at that! I'm excited. Oh my god, you guys! And look at this yellow showing up! Yes! Oh, yes! Okay. My god, it's gonna be a lot of work to go through entire canvas. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Like all the colors from underneath showing up. Oh, I can't be more happy. Oh my goodness. And I keep wiping because I don't want the color to build up. Okay, so this one, I had it too far away. Need to come a little closer, baby. Oh my god, this is just a magic, you guys. Do you like it? Okay. Oh my god. Such a cool effect. Wow. I would never think that you can bring such symmetry and system in pouring art. It's probably the most organized technique of all. Like, I absolutely love the way colors showing up from underneath, because I was kind of worried because it was so muddy here. Oh, it worked out. Worked out. Okay, I guess I'm dripping from my tool. Need to be a bit more careful. Maybe I need to talk less, work more. Kind of can tell where is the line between the layers, but I guess it's just what it is. Still looks pretty cool. Okay, well, I know what I'm doing for my next few pours. Really, it has such an amazing effect, and I think you can actually play with it and experiment with different tools and maybe use something bigger, smaller, and see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to get a comb from maybe from Dollarama or somewhere with wider teeth, and I think it's also going to create a pretty cool effect. All right, you guys, this one is done. I love it. It worked. I am so pumped right now. This is so cool. Yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, if you do this technique, please share your results in Smart Art Materials Facebook group. I would love to see what you get with it. All right, well, that being said, happy pouring, happy poking, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.